Hello YouTube, this is Sabir for Network Embed. Here in this video, I will be showing you how to update your Windows 10 new update 10 May 2012 update. So guys, let's see how I can update my Windows 10 version. First I check my Windows version. This version is 1909. Okay, and go to this link. I will share this link in video description. Then download now. Sorry, update now. Click on update now. It will be a update file downloaded. It's 5.96 MB only. Okay, now I install this. One of the best features of Windows 10 is that it keeps getting better with every update. This PC is currently not running the latest and most secure version of Windows 10. This PC running version 1909. The later version is 2004. We can help. So now we are updated to 2004. Update now. Okay, my requirement is okay, and next actually it's taken times, so we should wait for time. After downloaded this, you can install updated file in your PC.